She can do it again. Let's see. Let's see if she does it again. Watch. Quiet for a second. She'll do it.
What?
You're fine. We don't play with the
Boober.
have to be very careful with the fork. It's a dangerous thing, okay?
What's that? Red fork and pink fork.
What are you going to eat it? What are you going to eat with it? What do you want to eat?
And a fruit.
Fruit. Okay, no problem.
What's a pineapple? Not a bowl and a rainbow. A rainbow.
I already have a pink bowl downstairs. We'll just use a pink bowl, okay? We'll save the green bowl tomorrow.
One pink bowl.
Yeah, pink bowl.
Pineapples.
Let me see if I can find some
There are any.
in the can. Right?
Maybe in the can. There's that fresh one there. I know. Nobody wants to cut up SpongeBob tops. Alright, say bye, Sailor. That's it for the camera. It's dead. Bye. We're gonna have pineapple. Say bye.
Bye.
Yeah, I love you. Mucho.
Love you.
Perfect.